Welcome back, everybody, and today we are talking about this very mysterious looking Stromanthe. It's most likely a Stromanthe, not a Calathea. However, it is in the Maranta Stromanthe Calathea family because it's a prayer plant. It is fully praying right now. Just the columnar, statuesque, upright nature is why I was so drawn to this plant. If you have seen my video on the Stromanthe rufibarba, it's got so many similar attributes in that it's got the purple, almost like bronze kind of like a copper underside, and then except for this one, like the rufibarba has got more of like a ruffled leaf, and this one has similar to I think it's the peacock Stromanthe, but I know it's not a peacock. It's kind of, I haven't seen it before, so in my opinion, it's one of a kind, and that's why I just kind of had to get it. Once again, as you've seen, I've already repotted it in the mix I used to repot. I don't think I amended it with anything. I think I used Pro Mix, the HP, and you know, it's been holding on to water for quite a nice amount of time, and that's what you need for this to really maintain, because what you got to know about these they're from South America, and they generally like a nice warm as well as moist environment. They're an understory plant. They don't get a lot of direct sun. They're really underneath the canopy of much larger trees, and so like a medium bright indirect light is great, and just keep it evenly moist. Don't let this dry out. It'll let you know almost right away. The leaves will start to discolor. They'll brown, and that might be somewhat confusing because it could mean not enough humidity, as well as not enough watering or infrequent watering. Where this one, I know that it's getting lots of humidity. I have a temperature, or a temperature and humidimeter, and I know I'm good to go on that. It's probably around 70%, and you know, my indoor temperatures never really fluctuate too much above or below 70 degrees. So yeah, it's a really happy plant. I've had it for probably about a month now. I'm really happy with it as well. I really like the way it opens and stands up. The light, like I said, bright indirect light is what I've been giving it. What I will say is, the brighter the light, the more it does tend to move to allow for that light to come in. I've noticed when they start getting a little further away from a light source, they do it less, is my observation. But other than just keeping it nice and evenly moist and the humidity, I think it's a really easy house plant to take care of. Maybe even say it's a beginner plant, as long as you're just kind of aware of all those factors and have no problems, watering. I've been just watering like once a week. It's in a 6-inch pot. I didn't pot it up too much larger than what I took it out of, but I'm really stoked, really thrilled about this finding. And I tell you what, if you happen to know the name of this cultivar, drop it in the description, drop it in in the comments, sorry. And I will change the name of the video for all of you to know about. So that's what I got. It's a Stromanthe, I know that, but I've looked all over the internet on what this variety is. I've checked other plant apps, and they're not really leading me to the exact name on this plant. So kind of a cool mystery, but a mystery nonetheless. So let me know, and I'll keep posting more videos just like this, and I'll see you on the next one.
Hey man, what's going on? Hey, what are you doing? Eating hay, I want some hay. What's going on down here? Hey, I want some hay. Hey, where's my hay? Hey, want some hay? Where's my hay? Oh, you like selfies? That's you. My head. Ow. My head.